morning, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to Pearl TV. For today's video, we're going to make iceberg salad, okay? The recipe that I will be using today is a recipe that I learned from one of my YouTube friends, Chef Leo Pisada, okay? Because my spouse loved the salad that you have taught me, the recipe that you have shared to me. Again, my spouse bought iceberg vegetable, and then now, again, I will be making the iceberg salad using your recipe, okay? Let's now start! Guys, as you can see, I have an iceberg leaf here. Okay? Medyo bulok-bulok na nga. Kasi ang tagal kong gawin. Kung hindi pa dumating si Mr. ko, hindi ko maalala. Okay? And then, isang maliit na ano. Tapos, soy sauce. This is coconut oil. I extracted this from latik. Coconut oil. Okay? This is fish sauce. Okay? And then, sugar. Okay? So, I will be making first the sauce, what we call this? The dressing that I will be using for this salad. But first, I'm gonna clean this first and cut this into bite size, okay? So, please stay. As you can see, guys, I will remove the leaf of this iceberg, okay? Parang medyo natuyo na siya, no? So sad. I'm so sorry. Hindi na siya nagka-crispy. Medyo nabulok-bulok na nga siya. Isi-save natin to, guys, kasi pwede pa to, eh. Pwede pa talaga to. Ayan, 'di ba? See? Guys, hugasan natin, okay? Okay. Yung iba, guys, hindi na nila hugasan yan, 'di ba? Pero delikado eh. So I'm going to remove all those leaf that are already, 'di ba? So yun, tanggalin na natin. Sabi sa akin ni Chef Leo, cut this into bite size, okay? Cut this into bite size. Tanggalin natin yun. Bite size, maliliit lang, 'di ba? Ganyan. Ay, sorry po. Is na siya, nakat ko na siya into bite size. So what is needed next is to make the sauce, okay? The dressing, okay? Please stay. Guys, making sure that you have a clean mixing bowl like this, okay? So the first thing to do is put soy sauce, okay? Soy sauce, guys, sorry. Soy sauce, ayan. 1, 2, okay? 2 soy sauce, okay? And then next, I have here an oil. This is oil from the coconut, okay? I made a biko last time and I made latik. I got the oil from the latik, okay? So we will be using this oil. This is very It's the time to add the iceberg leaf into the sauce. Okay, guys, see? Yoo-hoo! Yoo-hoo! Mix and mix and mix, okay? Mix and mix and mix. Yan. Since I have not taken my lunch yet, because we eat too much rice in the breakfast, I'll be taking this iceberg salad as my late lunch. Okay, let's eat. Sarap. Ang sarap niya, guys. Nakakapasarap lalo yung oil from the coconut. Okay, really delicious. Napaka-sarap ng ano, kasi napaka-crunchy, guys. Iceberg salad. May late lunch. Ang dami kasi namin kinain almusal kaya hindi na kami kumain ng lunch. We eat our lunch, we eat our breakfast. We ate our breakfast late, okay? That's why. If this is your first time to hop into this channel and you are not subscribed yet, please consider subscribing because this channel is giving you a very nice tip from time to time, inspiring you to become a successful YouTubers. Hand in hand together, we become a successful YouTuber, guys. Okay? Thank you for watching. God bless you. Bye-bye.